Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Audi Q8. 2 owners only, and the condition is absolutely fantastic. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this magnificent beast. The car design is absolutely stunning. Yes, guys, this car is built on the same chassis as Lamborghini Urus. However, it's about 1/3 of the price on annual depreciation. Look at these headlights. Absolutely beautiful LED matrix headlight from Audi. You have very nice set of 20-inch sport rims. The whole design of the car is really very slick and commands a massive presence on the road. Look from behind. Yes, this is a proper SUV. Quattro, meaning all-wheel drive, comes with a very nice diffuser and dual exhaust exit. So as usual, let's check out the boot space. Fully electric boot. Okay, did you see that? Did you see that? This thing automatically went in electrically. So cool. Never seen this before in any car. Obviously, the boot space is absolutely massive. You can even fold down the rear bench to make it even bigger. Now let's close this. Another cool thing is that this is an SUV with frameless windows. How cool is that? All right, behind, leather condition is absolutely fantastic. You can see the previous owner of this car really take care of their car. They even put these cushions here to protect the leather. Good for you, the next owner. Look, the seat condition, fabulous. The leather is very soft and feels very luxurious. We have an aircon for a rear passenger with its own control panel. We even have aircon here. A lot of speakers in this car for nice sound. And now let's go in. All right, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very spacious and super premium looking cabin. First things first, we have leather steering wheel, very nice, with pedal shifters, multifunctional, fully digital speedometer cluster. This is your infotainment system, and these are your aircon controls, your engine start stop, your gear selector with electric parking brake and auto hold function. The materials used in this car feel absolutely premium, starting from the dashboard. Over here we have very nice wood in matte finish. Quattro branding here, very nice, very beautiful. Now look at the doors, guys. The wood, it continues here. Of course, the seats have memory. This is Alcantara, very nice. And the leather also feels very nice and soft. The seat condition is absolutely perfect. I mean, look at these guys. Really nice. All right. Well, have another look. One thing I want to show you, something I've never seen in any car before. Okay, when I put this to reverse gear, all right, so we have your 360 view, of course, for such premium and a large vehicle, it's quite essential, I would say, and a reverse camera. So when I turn the steering wheel, the whole camera turns. Okay, not just these two lines which you've seen in other cars, but look, the whole camera will turn to the direction you're turning the steering wheel. How cool is that? Okay, let's put it back to park. Also, we got a head-up display, just now I did not mention. On COE, this car got 3 years left. Just nice for you to enjoy. Also, this is one of those cars. If you want to save money on monthly installments, it is perfect for balloon scheme. You want to find out more? You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.